Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to print from your Android phone. If you have a photo, document, email, or PDF on your phone and you want to print it, you can usually do it directly from your Android device. Let's get started. First, make sure your printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Android phone. Some printers may also support other wireless connection methods, depending on the printer model. Next, open the file, photo, or document that you want to print. For example, you can open a photo from your gallery or Photos app. Once the file is open, tap the share icon or the three-dot menu. Look for an option called Print. If you do not see Print immediately, tap More Options and look for it there. Tap Print. A print preview screen will appear. At the top of the screen, you may see a printer selection menu. Tap it and choose your available printer. If your printer does not appear, make sure the printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. You may also need to install the printer manufacturer's app or enable a printing service on your Android phone. Once your printer is selected, you can adjust the print settings. Depending on your printer and Android device, you may be able to choose the number of copies, paper size, color or black and white, page orientation, and which pages you want to print. For example, if you only need certain pages from a PDF, you can select the specific pages instead of printing the entire document. After checking the settings, look at the preview to make sure everything looks correct. If everything is ready, tap the print button. Your Android phone will send the document to the printer. Wait a moment while the printer processes the job. If the printer is working correctly, it will begin printing your document or photo. If nothing happens, check the printer's connection, make sure there is enough paper, and check if the printer has enough ink or toner. You can also try restarting both the printer and your Android phone. Keep in mind that the exact printing options may be different depending on your Android phone, printer brand, and Android version. And that's it. You now know how to print documents, photos, and other files directly from your Android phone. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.